You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you how to make those two lovely candle holders that you saw using some blue crushed glass. Yeah, you know the crushed glass comes in lots of different colors, so I'm sharing with you how each of them will look, well, as much as I can get my hands on, will look on some home decor. So if you would like to see how we put these two candle holders together, you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee, a donut or a muffin with that, and let's get started. Alright everyone, we have our two glass containers here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use some of this painter's tape, and I just lined out the inside of one of our vase because I don't want the paint to go all the way to the top. And I'll be using this lovely blue that we have here. I got it, sky blue, I got it from the Dollar Tree also. Okay, I'm going to be painting the inside of each of our vase. So I'm just spraying the paint in and using the paintbrush and then moving our paint all around.
She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I don't know, I'm so vibe.
And now for our second vase, we're just going to paint it right up to the top. And I will be letting the first coat dry, and then I will go over with the second coat of paint to fill in any spots that I missed that are still showing, and then I'll set them aside to dry. Okay, now it's a few hours later and our paint is dry. Took off the painter's tape and everything. So what we're going to use is the blue crushed glass that we got here. I got it from Michael's. Now with the blue crushed glass, the flakes are bigger, or the glass particles are bigger. You get bigger chunks with the blue crushed glass. Hope it's showing here, as you can see. Bigger chunks. See them here? You can see them. They're much bigger cuts of crushed glass. So this is the clear crushed glass. So I'm just going to compare them and show you the sizes in the flakes. As you see, these ones are much smaller. As you can see here, the clear one are smaller cut glasses, and the blue is bigger cut glasses. So I'm going to use this clear craft glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't find any of the Elmer's clear glue. All I found was the white one. So I'm going to use this one that I found at the Dollar Tree, because a lot of people have been using the clear glue, like I told you, to put down the glitter and stuff like that. So I said, you know what, let me give it a try. I'm going to give it a try and show you guys, or tell you guys how I feel about it. So I'm just going to put the glue all over the container. And I'm just using the popsicle stick to help spread it out. Okay, so now it's time to add our crushed glass. So just pat it down. With this glue, the chunks are sliding all over and falling down. Now I know with the Mod Podge, you get the same effect, but I don't know, maybe because the chunks are bigger, it's harder for them to lay down. Oh boy, I find this really messy and sticky. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm gonna keep laying down our crushed glass pieces, and I'll probably let it dry for a little bit and then add some more and see how that works. Now for our second vase, I'm going to add some of our bling wrap going around the bottom part. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to glue that down. And remember, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use. Okay, now we're gonna add our crushed pieces, our blue crushed pieces, to the vase. And here again, I am adding our glue. But this time, I'm gonna let the glue kind of set a bit. You know, put it down to let it half dry. Maybe then I'll have less movement with it. So I'm trying a different method this time. Put on the glue and let it sit for a few minutes before I start adding the crushed pieces. Okay, I let it get a little more tacky because I let it sit for a bit. And now I'm going to be pouring on our crushed glass. And so far so good. I'm not having the same amount of movement I had the first time. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. So what you have to do when you're using the clear glue is let it get a bit tacky before you place the crushed pieces onto your project. Don't just put the glue on and then add your crushed glass. Let it sit for a bit, get more tacky, more dry. Not fully dry, but you know, a little dry, and then add your pieces. Much better, yeah. See, you learn. But, well, you know, you learn by trial and error. And I will set it aside when I'm done and let it dry. Okay, here we go. It's all dry. Doesn't it look nice? I love how it looks. So now I'm going to be using some Mod Podge. Yes, still using my Mod Podge. And go over the mirrored pieces to help seal them in. Now I know they have spray sealants and all those that you could use, and that's fine, but I try and stay away from the spray as much as possible because of my lung condition. So, and the Mod Podge to seal it over this way works fine for all my projects, and you have seen. So I will just do this step, but you are free to use other sealants if that's what you choose to do. So I'm just going to continue to spread the Mod Podge everywhere to help seal it up. And now I have some blue glitter that I'll be sprinkling everywhere. This blue glitter here. And I'm just going to be sprinkling it all over to add a little added glam to our candle holder. And I'd like to add in that I do not like using the clear glue to glue our crushed pieces to our decor. I think the Mod Podge does it much better. And now for our second candle holder, I'm doing the same thing, placing the Mod Podge all over it to help seal it in. And now I'll be using some silver glitter to add an extra shine to our candle holder. This one I'll be using the silver glitter. And now our vase are all dry. Very nice. Don't they look super cute? See how they're still shining and nice just by using the Mod Podge sealant. So now I'm going to place the legs. Yeah. Because you know I love how it looks with the legs elevated. OMG. With these knobs, give them legs. Elevate our decor to the next level. So I'm just placing 3 legs in a triangular form. And here we go, our first candle holder. I love how it looks with the legs to elevate it and give it an added touch to our candle holder design. And here is the second one. I love how it looks with the blue crushed glass, and the flakes are chunkier and big. The bigger cut glasses gives it a nice effect. It stands out a little more. I think it looks very nice. And here we go with some candles inside. And our candles all lit up. I think it looks absolutely beautiful The blue crushed glass is really nice. Having crushed glass in different colors, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And here we go. It's decorated on a coffee table. But you know, you can place it anywhere throughout your home. It'll make a lovely, lovely decor for anywhere throughout your home to place these nice little candle holders. I think they look elegant and nice, especially with the legs. Beautiful. I love them. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIY. Yes, our 2 Glam blue crushed glass candle holders. Yeah. And tell me what you think of the bigger chunks. I like how they look with the bigger chunks. It looks very nice. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And if today's your first time, welcome. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And to my oldies and my goodies, thank you for clicking on today's video to see the Glam blue crushed glass candle holders that I did for you guys today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.